Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix OK Wallet cannot send money. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings, switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data, and also toggle airplane mode on and off on your device. The other thing that you can try and do is head over to your app drawer, search for the OK Wallet app on your device. Once you're inside the OK Wallet app, simply log into your account. Once you're logged in, you must make sure that your KYC is verified inside the app. However, if the issue still persists, simply head over to your quick settings, head over to settings, tap on apps, tap on OK Wallet, hit storage and cache, clear the cache off your OK Wallet app, and if that too does not work, you can simply head over to your app drawer, search for the OK Wallet app, long press on it, uninstall it on your device, reinstall it from the Play Store, and then try again. Also make sure that you are not hitting any transaction limits and your KYC is verified. However, if the issue still persists, then you will have to contact support for further assistance. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.